Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel Without a Wire, where we look at everything a smart home can throw at you. So I bought my mother a new house and I'm about to get it out. Have a look. Let's go have a look at everything that I'm going to do to this place. Okay, so let's have a look at the kitchen. I brought the two helpers, so they're going to help paint and redecorate and clean up the house and everything. It's more like dirtying the house actually. And this is all the paint stuff that I bought. Let's have a look here. It's supposed to be a cameo silk of some sorts, but yeah, all the paint and whatever, little helper, paint helper. So yeah, I think after I've painted this place out, it will look much better. A cameo silk, like an off-white of some sort. So yeah, let's have a look at the kitchen. There's a little window there. I'll probably put in a little rotating camera in there and change up that plug to have some USBs. That plug I might decide to keep. Let's have a look there. So yeah, look at the walls. This is some new appliances that I bought that got delivered this week, but I'm going to have to move these again when I paint over the weekend, so you guys can see what the color of the walls, all that kind of stuff. All new furniture. It was ordered and delivered this week, just before I do the official move. Let's do a look outside. So this is where everything's going to happen in the evenings. This is my cooking station, so I'm going to do some braai vleis. Home renovation 101. Cold beer, hot fire, and some masking tape. Let's have a look. So yeah, these are definitely coming out, those fluorescents. They have way too much power and I can do too little with them. So yeah, I'll probably rip those out. See, there's another fluorescent there in the roof. I'll rip out those ones as well. See what I can do there to actually improve it. To beef up the security a little bit here. There's a sliding door, there's a sliding door, and there's a sliding door. So I'll probably do some contact sensors there and look at installing some power in there as well, because if you look at there, this used to be an outside stoop, so it's closed up and there's no power, but I would probably want to put a little rotating camera in here to have a view of the side of the house, that side, and if my mother's not home, you can actually have a look at that side too. Let's have a look. So this is definitely getting destroyed, because this just looks nasty and ugly and old. So this stuff's coming out. That also, I'm being told that this thing hasn't worked since they installed it. So I think this surface will look better flat and painted. So I'll rip those out and probably make a plan there. Let's have a look at this. Man, this is crazy. Aircon was a real crappy job here. And look at this. Look at this. There's some wires there, power cables. I will probably have Sparky get into the roof and have a dedicated connection for this aircon, just to get rid of this eyesore. Let's go through bathroom. Also getting painted, definitely. And look at the ceiling, it's disgusting. So I'll probably paint the ceiling and the walls, and then I will probably have a little motion sensor right there, so the bathroom can switch on automatically when you walk in, with a little timer to switch the light on and off. And Obviously, if you look at the ceiling, you need some ventilation in this place. So I got this extractor fan, which will actually go up right there above the toilet and the shower, just off center of the shower, so that this extraction fan can actually extract some sounds, noises, smells, all that kind of stuff. Oh, this is bright. This is bright. Let's have a look here. Okay, not much happening in this room. I think the alarm brains are in there, which I'll probably have Etienne work some magic with that. Let's see what he can do. That switch is definitely coming out, this one here. So I'll replace that with a Wi-Fi wall switch and hook it up to some Alexas. This one is also coming out. Putting in an electronic switch there. Main bedroom. Also, horrible installation for the power. I mean, have a look there. Yeah, Mickey, have a look there. Even my dog's disgusted by this. So this is coming out, dedicated power in the roof for that aircon there. And I'll see what remotes they use. I might just put in a little Broadlink RM Pro in there to automate those too, to have some voice controls for those. That plug is definitely coming out, so I'll put in a double plug with some USB points in there. New furniture. That one still needs a desk. Also, yeah, new furniture. I still need to assemble that. Apparently it's a study desk, very small one if you ask me. Can't remember the color. You guys will see later in the video. Also, new furniture. Apparently, hopefully this is proudly South African, and the instructions are not like those Chinese instructions where the plasma unit end up looking like a couch or something. Carpets, disgusting. So those are coming out next week. I'm ripping out the carpets, putting in some vinyl wood flooring. I'll give you guys an update in the second video. So let's have a look. It's not too much happening there on top of the cupboards. I think just to put some accents up there, I'll put in some LED light strips just to complement the lighting in the kitchen. And that is about it for the house. Let's go outside and have a look at the garage. Okay, this is the garage. This is some of the boxes for the new furniture. That plug is not in an ideal place. If you look at it, I will probably want to put in a little camera right there with a motion sensor and a contact sensor on the door. Two things to see if someone's breaking in, and the second one is actually to switch on the light when the garage door is open. Very simple. It's for my mother, so she's not very technologically friendly, so yeah, I need to make a plan to keep it simple but automated. So hi Anita. See, I'm actually dating my safety expert, so yeah, I'm in trouble guys. So yeah, let's have a look at what's this. This is the new LTE router that I got my mom, and this is the little, let's just focus there, this is the little Amazon Echo Flex. I'll start off with this one in the bedroom, and I think over there, just off center, or maybe in that corner, I'll have a little Amazon Alexa second generation mounted in the roof. So you've got voice commands in this open area as well as in the main bedroom, which you can control most of your things. So this is the ideas guys. Okay, so let's have a look at what we have in the fridge to keep us alive this week. Just bought a few things for the weekend. Like you can see, some breakfast, some meats, some salads, and some healthy stuff down there. But yeah, I mean, this is really what's going to keep me alive this weekend. Craig and the guys down in PE, wonderful brewery, champion beer, and you will probably be responsible for my survival this weekend.